How to invest money to make money fast. What's good, wealth builders? It's your boy Devon back again with another video, and today we're talking about how to invest money to make money fast. So let's go.
Now tuned into the greatest.
Real quick, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We talk about making more money, saving more money, and building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's talk about how to invest money to make money fast. Okay, now usually when it comes to investing, most people are going to talk about the long term, okay? They're going to talk about 10 to 15 years and, you know what I'm saying, and longevity and, you know, being in it for the long run, the long term, retirement age and things of that sort. Quick returns on investment is like playing the slot machines, okay, in Vegas. You might win, but you usually lose when you invest for quick returns, usually, okay? So what do we do, right? When you're in your mid-40s and you're looking for that unicorn of an opportunity, but you're not looking to day trade, you're not trying to do swing trading or anything like that. You want to invest your money and see a return from it within 3 to 5 years. I'm talking about a big return from it. I'm talking about investing like $1,000 to $5,000 and getting back like $20 to $30 to $40,000 within 2 years. You know what I'm saying? That's a big jump, okay? That's very big. Now, because waiting 10 to 20 years is not something you want to do. But not only that, we are talking about the potential to have a life-changing impact on you and your family. Because think about it, you put $5,000 now, and then this time next year or 2 years from now, you got 50 grand in your pocket. Come on, man, that is a very big come up, okay, if you just invest in 5 grand. Now, this is something that a lot of people struggle with because they want this type of return but don't know what to do. Well, they say to do big things, you gotta make big moves, right? You need to be on top of the trends and the pulse of the market, like the pulse, you know, the pulse thing right here. Where's the pulse? I think it's the pulse right here. There we go, the pulse. Right? Like the big boys are, like they know the pulse. They know where the pulse is. They pull their hand on it and they get the pulse. No, but for real, how do you do it, right? You know what I'm saying? Like, it's hard to put your hand on the pulse of the market without doing, like, you can sit here and subscribe to every business, you know, a news website there is, or newsletter out there in the market. You could subscribe to the Wall Street Journal, you know what I'm saying, sort through constant emails in your email box from every guru, this guru stock, that stock guru, this investment guru, that, right? Watch for the signals of the market that way, and then boom, invest your money as soon as you see something. But you gotta be like on point. You almost gotta be like the Oracle, like Warren Buffett, right? You gotta know everything, know what's going on. Or you can sign up to this new platform called Signal Invest, okay? Signal Invest is the easiest way to keep your pulse on the market. Remember the pulse? I was talking about the pulse. Remember the pulse? I was talking about it, right? Because you'll be able to know what real market trends are and the investment opportunities available that goes along with those real market trends, okay? It's like having a mini Warren Buffett at your personal disposal without being in the inner circle, okay? You will have the ability to jump in on the ground floor and start making waves, okay? Signal makes it super easy to discover different trends early, way before most people know about them, and you can profit from them, aka this is how to invest money to make money fast, okay? Because the earlier you see a trend forming, the better your chances are of you making money quick from the investment. And at the time of this video, the platform is not available to the public, okay? So I'm putting you on. But you can get on a waiting list by going to the link in the description. Definitely is worth the wait. You definitely want to put your information in, and it's free, so why not, right? Just put your information in as an email. God, stop being so stingy. Nah, seriously. With all that being said, man, if you're interested in this, definitely go ahead and do that, okay? Now, another thing is, right, I want to let you know how I make money online from online marketing to be able to invest in different things and make passive income while I sleep. Because without another source of income, you're not going to be able to invest in stuff, okay? 9 times out of 10. Most people don't have disposable income to invest in things to grow their money, okay? 9 times out of 10, they're struggling. Like, it's 78% of people out there living paycheck to paycheck. So I know it's real for a lot of people out there, man. So you want to find a different way to pull income in to take that money and to invest, okay? That's how your money can make more money, and then your money can make more money, and then more money, and then more money. Okay? So go to wealthbuildersystem.com. That's wealthbuilders with a Z.com. I'm sorry, wealthbuildersystem with a Z.com. Or go to the description below and check out the link, okay? So thanks for watching. It's your boy Devon signing off for how to invest money to make money fast. Do remember, Wealth Builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.
It's the Wealth Builders, baby.